Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Nora Ekutan and you're welcome. Make sure you subscribe and just like this video. So today guys, we are going to be starting the first episode of my new Python series. This is basically, I'm going to be teaching you about beginner friendly tutorial about Python, just for if you want to start learning Python. I'm just going to be showing you the basics to the video. So first, before we begin, we need to learn about Python notebooks. This is where you're going to be practicing your coding. So I'm going to be giving you two options that I personally use. We can start coding. So let's get to the video. So if you're new to coding and you've never really coded using Python like at all, this is where you can start. We're going to be using a collaboratory notebook, which is from Google. So you'll come here, these buttons for Google, and you'll come to your drive, head on open here. From the Google Drive, you'll come add new, and then come to more, and then you can go to Google Collaboratory, and yep, there it is. So you see, you can just type anything, one code. We want to see if it is working, so we're just running some random thing to see if it's going to connect. Yeah, you see, it's working. So you can just come to file, and then you can name it, and then you can just write Python, what you're going to learn today. So let's say Python data types, and then the rest I'm going to show you. So yeah, that is it. If you want to run a cell, you just press shift control enter, and then you can shift enter, you go to the next cell. So you see, yeah. So let's go to the next notebook you can use. So the next one you can use is called Anaconda. So this one you have to download it from Google. So you just come here, you search, and I searched Anaconda, and then this is what came. So free download, you download it and install it in your PC, and then you see this is an open source. Anaconda is the easiest way to perform Python, R, data science, and machine learning on Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. So it does not only have Python, but it has other environments that can be used for coding. So after you download it, this is how it should look in your system. Let me just open mine. Yeah, this is Anaconda Navigator. That's how it looks like. The Anaconda Navigator, you can see it has data spell, CMD, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, Qt Console. You have all this Spider. You have all this you can use. We even have Oracle data science service. We have R Studio. So there's a lot of things that you can be able to use to code in different languages. So for now we're only interested with Jupyter, so we have to launch that. So just press launch, and it's going to do what it needs. Opening Jupyter. It's coming, and then from there you come to new Python 3. So this is how it looks like. This is Python. You can type the same thing we did on the other one, control enter. Yeah, it's fine, it's perfectly working in perfect condition. So from our first four, I think we can stop here, and then the next video we're going to start with the Python data types. So make sure your Colab is ready or your Jupyter Notebook is ready, so that we can begin the next video. See you. Bye.